guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Aakriti, and if you're back, welcome back. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come online. And for today's video, we are doing a quarantine night routine in my life. So quarantine की वजह से मेरा नाइट रूटीन काफ़ी चेंज हो गया है because we've added a lot more fun than any other day. I play games with my family, eat fancy dinner every day, and a lot of coffee. Today I'm having cold coffee, and I just got done with filming a few TikToks, clicking a few photos, and a YouTube video also, which will go live a day after tomorrow, I think. I still have a little bit of something to do, so I have not removed my eyeliner. Baki sab kuch I have removed, the base, the lipstick, everything. And now I'll quickly change into, do what I have to do and change into comfy clothes and remove my eyeliner as well, and then we're gonna go for dinner. Let's get into the video.
For dinner we're having poha and jalebi. बहुत सारा खाना खा लिया.
It's finally मौसम जिसमें मटके का पानी पीना है, and I think मटके का पानी is better than any other पानी. Guys, what do you think? मटके का पानी is so yummy. It's so cool and yummy. It's so much better than fridge का पानी. So much better. Do you guys agree? Comment down below and let me know if you guys agree.
कोई मासूम चेहरा नहीं बनाएगा. हाँ, और कोई नंबर बिल्कुल नहीं बताएगा.
Guys, so we played tambola with my whole lot of family, extended family, and guess what? We played 2 rounds of tambola, and I won a second half and a full house in the first round, and then in the second round I won early 5 and second half and a full house again. जितना पैसे इन्वेस्ट किया था सारा वापस आ गया, बल्कि उससे ज़्यादा. So I'm happy. So guys, change in plans. Since we were singing songs at the highest volume possible, mom and dad invited us to their room to play cards. So we are postponing the shower as of now, and I'm gonna play cards with them. We're gonna play चौगड़ी. क्या बोलते हैं, कैसे बताऊँ? चौगड़ी कैसे खेलते हैं यार? कैसे बताऊँ? बस खेलते हैं, ठीक है. तो हम लोग चौगड़ी खेलेंगे, और फिर probably after the tash के innumerable rounds, we will shower. So guys, a little update. It's 12:43 a.m. and now I'm finally gonna go shower because I feel really...
I like to use the Dove Go Fresh body wash because it's really soft, and then I scrub my face with an apricot scrub and a face wash. Also, don't forget to moisturize after you shower. Well, after the shower, this is my mom doing acupressure for all of us, but this is her doing acupressure for me, and I don't know how does it work, but it really does work. I really don't understand the science behind it. I mean, I know these are points that are connected to the nerves in some way, but I don't know.
You know, I'm ready to do my skincare, but I don't specifically have a skincare. All I do at night is either coconut oil ka moisturizing on my skin, or some days I like to keep it light and cool for my skin, so I use aloe vera gel along with 3-4 drops of rose water, and I apply that solution on my face. Today I'm going to do the aloe vera and gulab jal wala solution on my face. I got this aloe vera gel, which is Herb Island ka pure aloe vera gel. It is the purest aloe vera gel I know that is sold, and that is because I saw this being made. आई वेंट टू गोवा और वहाँ पे एक हर्ब्स गार्डन है, तो हम वहाँ से ये एलोवेरा जेल लेकर आए थे, और वो एक्चुअली एलोवेरा से जेल निकाल के उसको बेचते हैं. तो इट्स अ नर्सरी काइंड ऑफ अ प्लेस, बट not nursery, like a little bit prettier than a nursery. So I've taken this much aloe vera gel. अब इसमें we're going to add थोड़ा सा गुलाब जल. I'm using the Dabur Gulabri Gulab Gel. I think this is the best rose water I know. I'm applying it so weirdly because I have these tapes on. Mama is an acupuncturist and she does this to us, all four of us, very often. Actually मेरे साथ तो हर रात को. So I sit with her and she well soaked in my now next for my intense dark circles I am using this chota wala version of Innisfree eye serum, this one here. And this is the pomegranate wala serum. थोड़ा सा लेंगे. I'm using this one क्योंकि मेरा दूसरा वाला ख़त्म हो गया है लॉकडाउन में, and there is no way I can get it delivered, this thing in my palm. और अब मैं सिर्फ इसको ऐसे लेके I'm going to dab it मेरी आँखों के नीचे. Also guys, I don't know मैंने किससे सीखा था, but I do this trick. मैं वैसलीन लेती हूँ, which is पेट्रोलियम जेली का ये ओरिजिनल वाला वैसलीन, और मैं अपने आईब्रोज और लैशेस पे लगाती हूँ. It makes them so much softer and you know.
I wake up with so soft skin and lips. Now we're going to apply. I also try to apply it around my lips, like not just on my lips.
So we done with the skincare. कल रात को हमारे रूम में लिजर्ड आ गई थी, आई डोंट नो फ्रॉम वेयर. तो ये हमने सस्ता जुगाड़ किया है. वी हैव पुट, ऐसे स्लाइट गैप होता है गेट के नीचे, तो हमने वहाँ उसको भी सील कर दिया है डोर को. एंड वी हैव पुट दिस टॉवल हियर एज अ सस्ता जुगाड़ सो दैट द लिजर्ड इज फूल्ड and it does, and when it tries to enter the room from the gap between the floor and the door, then it's fooled like this. Some of my useless friends decided that we have to play Ludo, so I am playing Ludo with them. मैं इस गेम में बहुत ज़्यादा अमेजिंग नहीं हूँ, मैं हर बार हार जाती हूँ, बट दिस इज़ वॉट वी डू लाइक एवरी नाइट. अब हम लोगों का रूटीन बन गया है, हम लोग लूडो खेलते ही खेलते हैं, तो मेरी नाइट लूडो के बिना कंप्लीट नहीं होती ऑनेस्टली. एक गेम तो बनता ही है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक गाइस? आई वॉन एक्चुअली, नॉट लाइक आई केम फर्स्ट, बट आई एम द सेकंड विनर, and it feels great. I want to thank my patience and I don't know, I just want to thank myself for playing an amazing Ludo game. 3 millisecond आ गई. When I'm done with literally everything throughout the day, I like to take out some time for myself by lighting a scented candle and writing. I love to fill these 2 journals, which are my favorite. This is 1 line a day and question and answer for the day. And this is just the favorite part of my day. I love to plan the YouTube videos that are upcoming on my channel for the next day or for the upcoming week. And then I love to read, so I make sure I read every day. And today I decided to read the Murakami Birthday Girl. When I'm done reading, I like to check my YouTube analytics for the day and reply to any comments that I have on my videos and watch other YouTube videos for fun. And I also like to binge watch something. Today I'm watching Hannah Montana on Disney Hotstar Premium, and this was literally my favorite show when I was young. Do you guys relate to me? I'm so excited because of Disney Plus Hotstar. I mean, it's too good. This is the best thing to have happened to us during quarantine. Don't you guys agree? It's finally midnight snacky time, and we decided to make Maggie. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make Maggie. So I'm boiling the Maggie first of all. I have chopped some onions here, and I also have some tomato puree here. So we will be needing this, and this is basic Maggie masala. Seems like the noodles have boiled well, and we will take a strainer और सारा पानी निकाल देंगे और noodles को इसमें डालेंगे. Strain the Maggi noodles, and now we will do the masala thingy. I've added a little bit of tel, which is oil. And when the tel is warm and dry becomes scary and pops in your face, just add onions that we add. Little bit of tomato puree. It will look like this. Masala is ready. Now we will add our Maggi to this. Add the strainer. And ta-da! And here's Maggie. Today's a good day. I have to go to sleep, and here is my sleeping mask, which I usually freeze for like half to 1 hour, and it's super cold. So guys, now I shall go to sleep. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like the video, comment down below if you would like more videos like these, and share the video if you really like it. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the cute little bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I come online. I will see you tomorrow with a fun video, and till then, keep loving yourself, guys. Bye bye. Tata.